Hi everyone, my name is Megan Moulton, and I'm a Client Success Manager at Coyote Creek Consulting. Today we're going to be covering how to make bulk changes in Jira using the bulk change option. To start, I'm using Jira Cloud as an administrator. Before I do anything, I want to make sure I have the ability to make bulk changes. To do so, I'm going to check my global permissions under Settings, System, and then Global Permissions on the far left-hand side. If I scroll down, I can see the option to make bulk changes. Verify that you're one of the users or groups that are able to. If you're not, you can go ahead and grant this permission by selecting Grant Permissions at the bottom, Grant Bulk Change Issues, and then choose a group that you're part of and select Add. Since I am already part of this site admins group, I can go ahead and proceed. To make bulk changes, I want to get a list of all the tickets and all the issues that I'm going to change. To do so, I'm going to go to Filters, and I've already created a filter here, but you could go ahead and click Advanced Issue Search and search a JQL that you need that will pull up the exact tickets. For my example, and for the example in this tutorial, we are going to be changing all the values in the department field to a certain other value. You can do this with any custom field or any system field. Anything that has a value in Jira's fields can be updated in this method. Here, I'm going to search anything under my project and that has the department field is not empty. So pull up everything with the department field. Now, originally, your fields may not look like this. What I did is I went to columns and I selected my field department to make sure all of my changes are correct and they're going to be at the forefront for me. Once I am sure that these are the 3 issues I want to update, and if these are not, I recommend updating your JQL that will only pull the things you want. I'm going to go up here to the ... or the ellipses. I'm going to select bulk change all 3 issues. If you don't see this option, it's likely that you don't have the bulk change permissions we covered in the first half of this video, so verify you do have those permissions. After selecting bulk change issues, I can now go through and select the issues I want to update. I'm going to only select all of them. Now, if I wanted to select individual issues, I would go and highlight them one by one, but I also recommend just customizing your JQL that will only pull filters you want. Select all and say next. And then here I have the option to choose what I want to do to these issues. I can edit the issues, which is to update the value of a field. I can move issues, which is to move them to a new project or issue types. I can move an issue through a workflow. I can delete them. I can watch issues, or I can stop watching issues. Because I'm going to be updating a field, I'm going to select Edit Issues, and then Next. Now that I'm here, I'm going to locate the field that I want to change. Now please note, this will include all fields available in Jira, not just available in those issues. Here I'm going to go down and find my department option. If I can't find it, I can do Control F on Chrome or another tab and go ahead and locate the department field I'd like. Select the checkbox here, and then here in the dropdown, I'm going to select which value I'd like to change it to. Now the problem with this bulk change method is that it will only update all issues to one value. If I want to customize different values for different issues, I can either do this bulk change for different issues, or I could do the CSV method, which we'll cover in another video. Here I'm going to go ahead and select IT because I want all 3 issues to now have the department field to be IT. If I want to make any other changes, I'm more than welcome, but once again, I can only change all issues to one value. And then finally, I'm going to ensure the send mail for this update is not checked. Then I'm going to select Next. Here I can verify my changes. First, I can see the department is now going to be IT field. So this is the department field that I'm going to update. If I go down, I can actually see the tickets I've selected and the field that currently exists. After doing this change, all of these departments will instead say the IT value. Now, these are based on your columns that you selected in the first section of this video. So if you can't see everything and you want to verify, go ahead and cancel, edit your columns, and come back to this page. Since everything here is correct for me, I'm going to select Confirm. Depending on the size of this change or how many issues you're going to be updating, this may take some time. Since I only have 3 issues, it'll be genuinely quick. And now that my change is completed, I'm going to select Acknowledge. Now, it's a good idea to always verify after making big changes that what you did is exactly what you want. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to search my JQL search and determine that now all my department for all three of these issues now say IT. I can also verify that this is the case by going to my JQL search and editing this to ensure that everything says IT as well, and all my tickets are correct. And that's it. That's how you make bulk changes in Jira using the bulk change option. So thank you all for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel or look us up on the web at www.coyotecreek.com. And that's everything you need to know. So that is updating bulk changes in Jira using the bulk change option. As mentioned, if you do want to make multiple changes and you want to edit those values to be something different, I recommend following up on the CSV video that will be posted to our page soon. Alrighty, and that's everything you need to know about updating bulk issues in Jira through the bulk change option. If you'd like to make values that are different, I recommend using the CSV method. If you're not familiar with that, you can go ahead and follow us and look that up on our channel. It's going to be the next video posted. And that's everything you need to know. And that's everything you need to know about making bulk changes in Jira. If you have any questions, please feel free. And that's everything you need to know about making bulk changes in Jira. If you want to make bulk changes with a custom value or not the same value for all tickets, I recommend following the CSV method, which will be posted in another video. Otherwise, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel or look us up at the web at www.coyotecreek.com. Bye-bye.